When the Mexican food craving strikes, be ready with this delicious, flavorful Mexican rice. Whether you use it to stuff your burritos, layer it on nachos, or use it as a side, it's a staple for a multitude of fiesta-worthy favorites. So grab a cup of hot cocoa. It's time to make some magic in Mrs. Kringle's kitchen. Hit the red subscribe button and click the bell to be notified when new videos go live. Add just under a quarter cup of canola oil to a saucepan over medium heat. Add half a cup of scallions using the white and light green parts, and give them a stir and fry for 3 to 4 minutes. Move them to the side and add 1½ cups of uncooked brown rice to the oil and stir the rice to coat. Fry it up for about 3 to 4 more minutes. Add 1 teaspoon of cumin and 1 teaspoon of garlic powder and stir to combine. Add 1 tablespoon of tomato paste and give it another stir to incorporate it into the rice. Add 3 cups of chicken, beef, or veggie broth. Stir and cover for 10 minutes. Give it another stir and cover it again for about 5 to 7 minutes. When the liquid is starting to get absorbed, add half a teaspoon of salt. I use smoked salt for a little extra flavor. Cover it again until the liquid is absorbed and then add another half to 1 cup of water and allow that to absorb as well. Fluff it up and it's ready to serve. Mexican rice is full of gorgeous color and subtle flavors to bring a filling but not overpowering element to your favorite Mexican dishes. This freezes perfectly, so divide it up and take some pressure off for weeknight meals. Mexican food on demand? Yes, please. For the full printable recipe, head over to mrskringleskitchen.com. Don't forget to like, comment, and share the love with your family and friends.